Yeah, I'm just opening the sheet and show the cables. People. So people know the cables, how we make it.
Go to main page and to the...
There's a theory part of it that you need to understand before you do
workshop.
See, you have 8 pairs of cables that normally you put all of them on a connector, RJ45 connector. But basically you need 4 of them for the normal communication, isn't it? And the other 4 are there idle. So we use the other 4 pairs for power.
Yes, nobody else.
And normally, you know, what we need on a connector to make a communication is 1, 2, 3, 6. That's how they're normally used on this connector. So the 4, 7, and 8, yeah, I don't use them. 4, 5, 7, and 8. You see there?
Which colors are idle?
Now on the color you have to cycle yourself. But basically what you need to know is 1, 2, and 3 are normally used for network communication. 1, 2, 3, and 6 are normally used for the communication. And
for data.
For data. Yes.
It's 4 and 5. It's for voice.
Yeah.
So,
yeah. I'm talking on the data.
Yeah.
So on the color codes, what the standard color code is, number 1 is normally, see there's orange, and white is orange. Okay, so number 1 was normally put white and orange, and number 2 you go put orange, and number 3 is green with white. Okay, and then we have the blue and white. This we can put number 4 and 5. Okay, and number 6 you go with green, and the other color codes we can just put in 7 and 8. So you can see now we can use the brown and the blue for the power, and this used for the data communication. See?
Yes.
So this is how we go and clean it to the connector. So I make that to a connector. It's very simple. Like drinking in college.
Huh?
Yes.
So we're taking mangas.
So take this. And you get it down. And then you put it on a, and then this one you take it on the size.
Double.
Does it matter where you put them? Inside the thing?
Yeah, because there's 6 places that the cable, 8 places that the cables are going in, and we use 1, 2, 3, and 6, right? And the other cables are out for the power. Yeah, so that's how we do, and you make sure they're all in correctly, and you go and clean that.
What's the name of the tool?
This is the clipping tool. And then you clamp it.
How much does such thing cost?
The clamping tool?
If 45 is or 50, 45.
Not cheap.
Not cheap. Okay, so now you see this is ready for the data, and the other tool is for the power. Now, here what you do is you join these two together, so you get a positive and negative thing from the
Brown, white, and
Yeah.
white, blue,
yes.
blue.
Yes.
So which one is positive?
Yeah, that's the very thing you need to know. Let me take the adapter and I'll show you.
It's normally blue one is positive.
Blue is positive.
Blue is positive. Brown is
It's normal. It's blue one is positive and the brown one is negative.
Don't you need the earth?
So you see, when you cut this thing, see, you cut into half like this, and then you make sure, you see there's a coloring at the back, you see? So that's where you don't mix them, that on this side you put it positive and that you mix that, you can cause a problem. So you make sure that if this white part goes to blue, so on the other end also has to be blue on the white part of it, so you don't cause a short circuit.
The adapter is the original adapter of the router.
Yes, this is the original adapter for the router. And if you look it closely, there's a color also. So to differentiate which is positive and which is negative part of it. So we have,
How do you know that this should go to this?
you are the one to decide.
Okay. Yeah.
You are the one to decide.
Yeah.
If you are deciding this white go to
this,
brown,
then-
it's you. And if you want this one to go to this, it's you. But you have to put in mind that I've connected the white to. So in the other end, you don't mix it.
Yeah. I understand.
So that's simple like that.
Sawa.
You know how to clean, you know how to do this.
But please, can we have the colors so that you can note down?
Okay, so I want me to write on the board. Huh?
Maybe you can
Asante
keep it on
sana,
that one there.
Mwalimu Deo.
Asante kushukuru.